Hello, my Aries. Welcome back. We are going to do your general mid-month for September 2019. Let's see what you guys got going on. Here we go. When I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. When I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. I feel like you guys are you're opening up to your spirituality, opening your third eye. Accepting that there is more to the world. There's more to what goes on every day in your day-to-day life than what you just see with your two eyes. Ooh. Yeah. There could be some secrets coming out too by the end of this month. That's going to give you a whole new perspective on how you deal with and handle things. One more. The Tower. Yeah, and I just saw it. The Death card. Whatever you're going through right now, Aries, is going to completely change your life. It's going to change you as a person. Yeah, I truly feel you're opening up to your spirituality, opening up to spirituality as a whole, opening your third eye, doing meditations. 3 of Wands. Yeah. Taking the action in your life and taking the action to make a change. And waiting, 10 of Pentacles. And waiting for it all to come together. This is about taking care of yourself. I can be bad all by my damn self. I do not need you. Ace of Swords, ain't that the truth? I told you, there's going to be some truth coming out. 4 of Wands regarding this person who you thought was your stability in life, but they're not. This could be your husband or wife or a long-term committed relationship. It doesn't have to just be about marriage. What happened in the past? I am freezing. 6 of Pentacles. This person, Knight of Cups, 8 of Pentacles. You've been contemplating this change for a while now, Aries. And this change is about you. No longer putting the work and effort into others. It's time to put the work and effort into me. I have to do the work to see the change in my life. I can be that power person who's in control, who can give when needed and receive when needed. But I don't need it. You've been standing strong in your power for a while now, but now you're putting it into action. You are rolling out the cards. You're rolling out your life. It's like you made a vision board. This is where I want to be. This is what I see my life as. And now it's all coming into play. Because you put the work into yourself. Suggested action. Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. Walk away. Burn that bridge with this person. You have truly elevated yourself, Aries. Four of Cups. Take that time out to yourself. You got a Eight of Cups, Four of Cups. Take that time out to yourself. Continue with your meditation. Six of Wands, because you are being victorious. Like I said, you have been putting this work in for a while. You are now finally starting to see the change, and it is lifting your spirit. You are raising your energy. Yes, there is still more work to come, but you're a bad bitch. I can do this. I've been doing it, and I'm seeing the change, and I'm going to keep doing it because I'm seeing myself, I'm seeing this world, I'm seeing everybody in a new light. Possible blockage. I love this, Aries. Page of Swords. King of Pentacles. Page of Cups. The person you're dealing with, excuse me, could be a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or this could just be the fact that they may have made more money in the relationship, brought more money into the household. Can't we just talk? Can't we just talk about this? Can't we just, figure this out and work this out? You need me, Aries. Bullshit. I do not need you. The only thing I need is the self-love and valuing who I am. Because you sure as hell don't. And when that doesn't work, then they're going to try the whole being loving. The lovey-dovey. Well, I want to take care of you, Aries. I want to do that for you in your life. I don't want you to have to work hard. I want to work hard. And I want to work hard on myself. Being with you has just, it's almost like they have numbed you to, even not now, previously, they numbed you to the thought of having to take care of yourself. I don't have to. They're going to do it. You don't want that. But like I said, they're going to try the whole, can we just sit down and talk? You need me, blah, 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 blah. No, I don't. And when they realize they're not working, that's when they're going to start to try to be loving, to try to get you to stay. Let me tell you something. When you have a man or a woman that can do it all on their own, you better come right or don't come at all. I'll come in the future. Six of Cups. Six good. When you release this person, when you go through this Tower moment, this transformation of you, the Fool, you're concentrating on bringing in that twin flame soulmate. You're opening up to that. The Fool, Eight of Wands. Yes, because you're listening to your higher power. You are elevating yourself. You're listening to more than what it is, to more than what the eye can see. You're understanding that there is more out there than just you living day to day. There are other energies, there are other forces that are, I don't want to say manipulating you, but manipulating, that are there. It's not just us living day to day. And you're going to accept this new path You're going to go on this new path. And it's going to bring you joy, and it's going to bring you happiness. You're going to have a new perspective on life. You're going to have a new perspective on how you live. It's like almost giving you this will to live and open up to this much greater being, this much greater power. Because you a bad bitch. All right, Aries. I hope you enjoyed your read, and I will see you on the flip side. Love you.